Hi everyone and welcome to Science Today. Today our video is going to be very short because I want most of your time spent working on your little mini project. So your little mini project is to make a diagram of the caterpillar's life cycle. Yesterday we read a book on butterflies and we read about their whole life cycle and how it was a cycle because it kept going over and over and over and over and over again. So it's the same idea, okay? So today we're going to draw one together real fast, and then you're going to be on your own, and I'm going to give you some ideas of different ways that you could create your diagram to make it a little bit more fun. But you don't have to do a fancy diagram. It could be a simple one. So let's go ahead and draw one together. I'm going to draw one up here. So what does a caterpillar or a butterfly start as? It starts as an egg. So that's the very first part of our diagram. So I'm going to draw an egg and I'm going to write egg under it. I'm going to label it. So egg, E-G-G, egg. Okay. Then what is step 2 of our diagram? What does a caterpillar become after an egg? The egg hatches and it becomes a caterpillar. So I'm going to draw a green caterpillar over here to the side. And I'm going to write caterpillar. You guessed it. Caterpillar. Then, so we have an egg, then it becomes a caterpillar. Then what does it do? I dropped my brown marker and I can't get it. It becomes a chrysalis. So I'm going to draw a chrysalis. And I'm going to write chrysalis. I'm going to misspell chrysalis, apparently. I cannot think of how to spell chrysalis right now. Okay, that's spelled wrong. Don't judge my spelling. Okay, so we have an egg to a caterpillar to a chrysalis to what? Then it becomes a beautiful butterfly. So I'm going to draw a butterfly as my last step. I know how to spell butterfly though, so that's good. I just can't spell chrysalis. Got to work on that word. So here is my diagram. I have an egg to a caterpillar to a chrysalis to a butterfly, and what I need to add are my little arrows to show that it is a cycle. So I'm going to draw my little arrows. The egg goes to the caterpillar to the chrysalis to the butterfly, and the butterfly to the egg. And that is my diagram. So today, what I want you to do is I want you to draw a diagram or make a diagram. So you can draw one if you'd like, just like I did with all 4 stages, or you can make one. If we were in class right now, Mrs. Arnold would have 4 different types of pasta, and each pasta would represent the 4 different stages. I don't have all that pasta at home, otherwise I would have shown you that one, but there's some pasta that's like a little circle. That'd be the egg. There's the twirly kind, that'd be the caterpillar. The chrysalis, I used to do the shells, the ones that are like little shells. And then the butterfly is the bow tie pasta. So that is another fun option if you happen to have those laying around. If you don't, you could mix it up. You could use craft supplies and make each part of the diagram different. It is completely up to you how into it you get and how fun you make it. It's totally up to you. If you want to just draw me the picture, that's cool. That's completely fine. It works. It's totally fine. If you want to take it a step farther and make it more fun and arts and crafts, which you could probably turn it into an art project for specials, getting creative there and using the same thing twice so that you don't have to do extra work, you could definitely do that too. You could probably even post it to science too, because it'd be a science activity too. It's totally up to you how you want to do that. So make me a diagram, take a picture of it, and send it through Class Dojo. I can't wait to see all your awesome diagrams. Thanks. Bye. Have a great, fantastic weekend, by the way.